Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Beach Time Scrapbooking Workshop, and one of the techniques that we use in here is using sponge daubers, finger daubers to blend ink with on a couple of projects. So I'll try to remember to show you that. So the cutting guide, if you order online, has a cutting guide and an assembly instruction, or if you get it at my house, I can cut it for you. We use this sticker sheet, 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and you can see there's still quite a few stickers left to incorporate extra stickers, or if you want to add to your scraps, you can make an extra layout and have something to decorate with. So this one, Beach Day, has three 2-page layouts, and this is the first one. Now this one incorporates a beautiful, I don't remember if this was this was a exclusive paper. It's just gorgeous with these wavy lines. So this one could easily be a swimming pool or a beach. It's just the right colors and not too wavy that it could easily be a swimming pool or a wave pool. But we've got the papers, just a strip of rainbow here, adding your photos in just little clusters, and then decorating it with all the shapes. Super fun, very cute. Layout number 2. This one's even more pooly, and it does say, let's go to the pool. So if you don't love the beach and you spend more time at the pool or maybe a backyard pool, this one's great. We have these punch out sun letters. Beware, we save those for the future. And then this one features some of that. Let's see if we can see it. Sponging the edges with your little finger daubers to add some color to that. And then we did it on the stars as well. I don't know if we did anything on the first. No, we didn't do anything on the first layout. And then we've got, so this and this are stickers. So you need to plan ahead as you're tacking those down so that you leave yourself room to put those on. And then everything else is just kind of this pool layer goes on the bottom, and then these strips are layered on top of it. And then we've got a strip of cardstock here, and then your photo mount. So there's lots of layers here, but it's not too difficult. And then that is layout number 2. And then we've got layout number 3. So this one does talk about the beach, but it doesn't have to. And California is very palm trees, so you don't have to go to the beach to see the palm trees. So this could be anything. It could even be, Vegas or something. And we also, so this is the sun words that we punched out from layout number 2, and then we sponge daubed with Daffodil Delight and Coastal Cabana, or maybe Summer Splash. One of those two colors would work just fine. And then we did the star as well. So this one was a little trickier because this one is a bunch of extra long tickets that you go. And I will say that underneath here, I wanted mine a little longer. So I cut my ticket in half so I could see more of it at the top. And so you're welcome to do that as well, or you can do something else. And that's all fairly easy, just tucking things behind and planning ahead, and very lovely, fun, colorful layouts for the beach time scrapbooking. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.